With this 10-second salt trick, your buddy will rise like a SpaceX rocket and won't stop until your woman begs for mercy in bed. I used to work as a cameraman for one of the biggest adult film companies in the US. Backstage, I would always see the actors taking a weird beverage before their long recording sessions. Within seconds, their buddy transformed into a steel bar and stayed that way for hours of filming. I am a curious guy, so I asked my friend Danny, who was one of the actors, what was that thing they drank before going on set. His answer blew my mind. He said that all top-level actors in the industry took that tonic before filming. They call it the salt trick. It's a mix that can be made with 3 ingredients from your kitchen, and it increases blood flow to your Johnson, making it hard and solid as steel for hours. Blue pills, pumps, and even penile implant surgeries could never have the lasting effect that this trick does. Without it, it would be impossible to endure long hours of filming with the buddy extremely hard. It would simply ruin the shoots. And the best part is, you only use natural ingredients, so the directors wouldn't risk the health of their actors. Even performers over 50 are getting back to filming because of this trick. And after Danny explained to me this trick, I decided to try it. This was a real game changer in bed with my wife. It saved my marriage, and now she is addicted to my anaconda. And to help men who are suffering from problems down there, I decided to record a video showing step by step how you can make it at home to stay hard like a steel pipe whenever you want. So just click the button below and watch it for free. But let me warn you about something. Since this is kind of an industry secret, I don't even know if I'm allowed to share it on the internet. So take advantage of it now, because if they see this and ask me to take it down, I'll have to do it. And if this video gets to you, it'll definitely get to them. And I don't want to lose my contract. So click the button I left there while you still can.